I do.
So we're having a birthday party for Max because he's turning how old today?
2.
I thought he was 1.
Yeah, 1.
So all of his friends are here and they all have party hats on. And we made a cake for him. It says, "Happy birthday, Max."
Mommy,
What?
I'm gonna help him blow out the candle.
Okay, Linus, go on.
Are you ready? Are you ready, Max? Set.
Should we sing? Happy birthday to Max. Happy birthday to Max. Happy birthday, dear Max. Happy birthday to Max. Okay, make a wish.
Mommy, he says, why do I have a birthday cake?
Make a wish and blow out the candles.
Mom, count how many numbers until you get to blow out the candles.
What do you mean? Just make a wish and blow them out.
1, 2, 3, blow!
Yay! Good job.
Max did it.
Max did it?
But I helped him because Mom, he sneezed because he's a little allergic to cakes.
Yes.
I mean, he's a little allergic to candles.
Oh, I see. All right. All of his friends look hungry for cake.